WiseTech Global to acquire e2open in $2.1 billion deal. WiseTech Global has announced the acquisition of US-based e2open for $2.1 billion in a cash deal that will be fully debt-funded. The agreement was signed on May 26, 2025, in Sydney, Australia. The acquisition is aimed at expanding WiseTech's customer base, global reach, product capabilities, and total addressable market. It is expected to be completed in the first half of 2026, subject to regulatory approvals. As part of the transaction, e2open shareholders will receive $3.30 in cash for each share they own, valuing the company at an enterprise value of $2.1 billion. Founded in 2000 and headquartered in Addison, Texas, e2open operates in more than 20 countries and offers a connected supply chain platform that tracks over 18 billion transactions annually. Its network includes over 500,000 enterprises. The acquisition will allow WiseTech to build a multi-sided marketplace that connects carriers, logistics providers, importers, exporters, shippers, and other supply chain participants. Acquiring e2open is a strategically significant step in achieving our expanded vision to be the operating system for global trade and logistics, said Richard White, founder, executive chair, and chief innovation officer of WiseTech Global. This investment will enable WiseTech to create a multi-sided marketplace that connects all trade and logistics stakeholders to efficiently offer and acquire services, removing complex disconnected processes, and driving visibility, predictability, and cost savings through the value chain. Andrew Apple, Chief Executive Officer of e2open, said, e2open and WiseTech have complementary products across transport, logistics, and supply and demand ecosystems, and both organizations are committed to improving the efficiency, productivity, and security of global supply chains through better use of technology, data, automation, and artificial intelligence. This strategic combination empowers our people and our customers, who make, move, and sell goods and services, to unlock new levels of efficiency and sustainability. WiseTech stated that the acquisition aligns with its 3P strategy focused on product, penetration, and profitability. The deal is expected to be earnings per share accretive in the first year before synergies. The company also noted that there is minimal overlap between WiseTech and e2open's customers, products, and markets. The acquisition price, transaction costs, and working capital requirements will be funded through a new, fully underwritten debt facility totaling $3.0 billion. Until the transaction closes, e2open and WiseTech will continue to operate independently. WiseTech's FY25 guidance remains unchanged except for $40 million in one-time transaction costs. Additional information will be shared during the company's full-year earnings announcement in August 2025. Stay tuned for more updates, and have a nice day.